Good day, viewers all over the world. You are welcome to Toyde Online class. Today we want to look at we want to start naming some of the special matrices that we have. So the first one is called the square matrix, the square matrix. Of course, when we define a matrix, we said the matrix is the rectangular array of objects or entries in row and in column. An example of a matrix is maybe when we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a typical example of a matrix. So when we look at it critically, we realize that it has a shape of a rectangle. In this case now, the number of rows, there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So it is 2 by 3. So this matrix has a shape of a rectangle, and that is the definition of a matrix. But what if we now have a matrix that has the number of rows is equal to the number of columns? That is square matrix. A square matrix is a matrix that has the same number of rows and columns. E.g., example of a square matrix is when we have 2 minus 3, 4, 5. This example of a square matrix. How many rows do we have here? 1, 2. How many columns? 1, 2. So this is 2 by 2 matrix. So 2 by 2 matrix is a special matrix, which is called a square matrix. Another one is when we have 1 minus 3, 4, 0, 8, 7, 3, 4, 5. In this case now, there are 3 rows here. We have 3 rows and there are 3 columns. So this is 3 by 3. The system of naming matrix is row by column. So when we have a matrix that has the same number of row and column, it's referred to as a square matrix. So this is one of the special matrices that we have, and we can have it in so many forms. So traditionally, the definition of a matrix simply means that a matrix is the arrangement of entries in row and column. It's a rectangular array, but we can have a special type of matrix, which is a square matrix. In this case now, we should note that the number of rows and the number of columns must be equal. Thank you.